Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we are going to do unboxing of this Agaro electric kettle. It's a small one, half liter, and very handy to have in the kitchen for daily use. This is not a paid promotion, I just bought it for personal use. I thought I'll share the product with you. In case you like, you can also go for it. Let's see what comes with it. We have 1 year warranty, and if you want, you can extend the warranty by paying a small amount. Oh, it's such a lightweight one, easy to use. This is what I actually wanted. I have a larger one, but that's quite heavy. And so I thought small one will be handy for making tea, coffee, or I like using hot water in the gravies while I'm making curries. So this one is going to be really of great use to me. Wow, 2 little cups. So handy when you travel, you can carry these inside the kettle and make tea, coffee in the hotel room. Some hotels don't provide tea, coffee. And what I like is the base. It's all steel and easy to maintain. I was just wondering why only tea, coffee. We can even try making something else like boiling egg or making little pasta, 2-minute noodles. I'm definitely going to give that a try, and I will record and share the clips with you if I do that. The cord is also quite long, and it comes with auto shut off option. The lid also has got a strainer here. So when you make tea, in fact, you can make tea with leaves also, add adrak, elaichi, and when you strain, pour it out, you can directly pour it out like this. You don't need a strainer as well. Isn't it quite cute? I like it. I'm going to share the link with all of you. I paid 1099 for this, which is a discounted price. The original price was 1799. Amazon keeps having these deals all the time. So I end up picking up one every now and then. So this one, I really like it. I'm sure you'll love it too. So go for it. Thank you for watching, and check out my other unboxing videos as well. Links are shared in the description box.